Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can buy DeepSeek. So guys, this is video not financial advice and you can research before buying any cryptocurrency. So guys, this token is listed on DEX screener, and as you can see here, the volume is of $28 million, and the buyers, as you can see here, 78%. Liquidity is $300,000. If you want to buy, guys, this coin, what you have to do, scroll down and click this option buy. And after that, guys, write your amount and click this option connect wallet. And after that, what you have to do, guys, go to Solana. Go to Solana here. This wallet, guys, and after that click this option HT and write your address, guys, and make sure you have enough money to purchase. Click this option, guys. Click this option, guys. Write your wallet address. So what you have to do, guys, click this option icon and right here, and you make sure you have enough money and click this DeepSeek and enter your amount you want to buy. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.